Are you interested in the money yourself? Don't worry about, I don't think anybody will offer any of that money, so you shouldn't be worried about the amount. But all these things that are happening, people know, and some. Now, let nobody underestimate the intelligence of the Kenyan people. The Kenyan people are very intelligent people, and they have come of age. And as I listen to people today, even when I was going to explain to them what is happening, they say, no, don't even bother. We know.
You know, Deputy President, the interesting bit is that you're revealing information, but halfway. You've just now revealed there's a cabinet secretary who hosted a meeting in Kitisuru. Who hosted the other meetings? Who organized them?
Some have told you. You have seen the meetings yourself. I've just told you what was being discussed inside those meetings. I'm giving you info on what was going on. You are aware of the meetings.
The only meeting I know about is of the members of parliament that came out and said that their leader is now...
That was not the real issue. No, the real issue is what I'm telling you about.
In that meeting, it was discussed that they're going to be
the one that was held the whole night in Nyahururu. The whole night, that was what came out is not the real issue. The one of dividing the mountain into two, the one of looking for another leader, that was not the issue. The issue is how you can force a deputy president out of office.
Kwa Ramogi mane twak ma dhi nyime ma jatend piny jalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua hotwa kanyo kod